This is the law of my Lord. If you do good to someone in this world, then you will definitely get its reward in the form of good. This is a beautiful little story of the faith becomes fresh, how it was helped and how. A woodcutter was cutting down a tree when he heard a voice say, "Please, spare me." The woodcutter looked around but saw nothing. He then heard the voice again, "I am an ant, and I am trapped under this tree. If you cut down the tree, I will be crushed." The woodcutter was touched by the ant's plea, so he stopped cutting down the tree and helped the ant to safety. The ant was grateful, and it told the woodcutter that he would be rewarded for his kindness. Later that day, the woodcutter was working in his field when he saw a group of bandits approaching. The bandits were armed with swords and spears, and they looked like they were about to attack. The woodcutter was scared, but he remembered the ant's words. He closed his eyes and prayed to Allah for help. Suddenly, a swarm of ants appeared and attacked the bandits. The bandits were so surprised and scared that they ran away. The woodcutter was grateful to Allah for helping him, and he realized that the ant had indeed rewarded him for his kindness. After listening, if you like so must share and comments.